best meal I had in Jamaica was cooked on a farm by a friend we made on the street. Meet Kelly. He runs a finger-licking jerk chicken stand. This is one of those places where you literally cannot stop eating. He told us about his grandma who made dinner for her family every night in the bush. I said, wow, I wish I could try that. He said, you guys should come with me to the bush tomorrow. I'll make you a meal. We stayed on the other side of the island, but this is an offer we could not refuse. At least I could not refuse. So the next morning, Kelly bought all the ingredients we needed and we proceeded to the farm. This is his family farm, so all of his brothers came to help. While Kelly got started with the food, we toured around a bit and picked some coconuts. I ate the shrimp, escovitch fish, rice and peas, and kalalu. It was hands down one of the best meals I've had in a long time, not just in Jamaica. So flavorful in every bite and truly finger-licking good. Smoky, hearty, a little spice to it. This was everything. We of course paid him because he shut his shop down for us all day, but it's a great gesture that I'll remember forever. So the next time you're in a grill, make sure to stop